we're now going to work through these examples. It says that we need to sketch the graphs of the following, state the equation of the asymptote, the y-axis intercept, so asymptote, y-axis intercept, and the range. And then it says use your CAS to find the x-axis intercepts. So let's give these a go. So our first one here is y is equal to negative 3 2x plus 4. The first thing that would probably strike my attention is the fact that we're going up by 4, which means we have a vertical translation of 4 up. So it's going to look here like this, y is equal to 4. The next thing that will catch my attention is this negative, and this negative is telling me that we have a reflection in the x-axis. So reflection in x-axis. That's going to help me get a picture of what this graph is going to look like. Don't draw this in, but if we were just to kind of roughly think about what this is going to look like, if this is what if this is a normal graph, if we're reflecting it in the x-axis, it's going to look something like that. So that means my graph is going to look something like this, but we need to find some more points before we can give it a sketch. So my y-intercept is going to occur when x is equal to 0. So that means I'm going to get y is equal to negative 3 to 0 plus 4, which means I'm going to get y is equal to negative 3, 0 plus 4. Now, this is important. This 3 is being raised to the 0. The negative is separate, so it will be negative 1 plus 4, which is y is equal to 3. So that means I have a point right here. And now it says that we should be using our CAS to find the x-axis intercept. So let's do that. Let's come over here. Let's go menu. Or actually, before I do that, I actually to graph it, don't I? So it's negative 3 raised to 2x, then I'm plussing 4. So make sure that you can do this on your CAS. There it is. And as you can see, we can find what the y-intercept is going to be by using our trace function. So when you simply go like x is equal to 1 is there, x is equal to 0 is there. So all I'm doing is I'm going 0, enter, to find where it is, 0, 3. That's what we found. If I now want to find where the x-axis intercept is going to occur, I go analyze, 0, and then I just sweep over it, and you're going to be given a point. There it is right there. So now we know. Now, do you see how it's like right there? So it's kind of steep. It goes like that, and then it takes a pretty significant turn there. Booped, booped. This point here will be 0, 3, and this point here will be 0.63, 0. 0.63, 0, and we used our trusty CAS calculator for that one. We also need to say what the range is going to be. Remember that the range is all the possible y values, and you read off the smallest value first. So it will be negative infinity all the way to my biggest value, which will be 4, but you're not including that 4. So the range is negative infinity to 4, not including the 4. Hopefully you were successful with this. Take note that we don't need to find an arbitrary point as we have previously, because we've gotten 2 points here. Make sure that you can use your CAS efficiently, and make sure you're using your CAS in your exercise as well. Do a bit by hand, check with your CAS. You just need to get used to using your CAS as much as possible. All right, I'll see you later.